Uh-oh. So I butchered my layers. I messed up my hair. I'm not gonna cry. Need to cut my hair. Look at these ends. I don't know what to do. Let's cut it. FYI, this video is not a tutorial. It is not meant for you to copy how I cut my hair. I'll leave that to the professionals. I did get this idea from Mains by Mel. I will link her channel down below. But please just look at this video as a video you want to watch before you cut your hair so you don't mess up. Alright, so with that being said, let's continue. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you watch Mel's video, in the video she explains how to find your part. So basically what I'm doing here is like combing my hair all the way back and then pushing it forward. And if you do that, your hair kind of naturally, moves into that natural part. This is the part that really confused me. I do recommend you to go check out her video. I will leave a time card where she's talking about this in the description, but it's basically finding the amount of hair your bangs are supposed to have. I did not get it at all. Maybe you guys will, but I kind of just did it my own way. I just kind of eyeballed how much hair I wanted my bangs to have, and I also made sure that both sides had the same amount of hair, if that makes sense. So just be super careful with this step. This is the hardest one. This is the one that took me forever. So yeah, just wanted to say that. This is hard to do on camera. Hold on, so I just made sure they were I hope you guys can see it was the same amount of hair. Alright, so now I have enough hair. It looks like they could be normal bangs now. Let me just part my hair, because I kind of lost the... Okay. Alright, we're good. So now we're ready to cut the bangs. Wish me luck. We're just gonna grab a piece of hair from the middle here. My hair is so dark, you guys can barely see. Alright, so I got this little piece. I'm gonna try to look as straight as possible. And kind of want to cut a little, she said cut a little bit below the chin here. So let me comb through. Ooh, I think I grabbed that piece from here. Alright, so we're gonna, oh, my hair's just so long. I'm just gonna comb through, keep your head straight as possible. And we are going to cut here. See, it's just too long. So remember, we have to grab our scissors the right way. Thumb here, this finger, no, wrong way. Alright, so thumb here, this finger here, pinky here. And we're just gonna cut straight across. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I cut that. Oh my gosh. This is how much I cut off. I think I'm not... I don't know what I did. Alright, let's just keep going.
Whoa. This is short, isn't it? No. But these are your shortest layers, so everything else from here is going to be longer.
Alright, so then we're gonna pull this hair to the other side. Like this. And then we're gonna see where we cut. So we cut right here. So we're gonna cut all of this off.
Ish.
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm gonna angle my hair here. Okay, this hair is annoying. And I'm just gonna cut across. So, uh-oh. Is it supposed to look this way? Whatever. Let's just keep going. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I did. I think I just messed up my hair. Uh-oh. This was a bad decision. Bad decision. Oh my gosh, I destroyed my hair. This is what I've cut off so far. This is a lot. This is... Uh-oh. I should have just done the basic unicorn cut. I just feel awful. I confused the sides, basically. So, I messed up the layers. This just... I don't even know what to do anymore. I don't know. Alright, so we're just gonna... I mean, it looks okay. It's like vertical. So I guess that's a good thing. But I'm not gonna cut anymore. There was a couple more rules, but I'm just not gonna cut anymore. So let's just put these up. My camera died, so I'm sorry for this, but I have to record on my phone now. So we're just... I'm cutting a lot off, guys, so yeah, this is basically all dead. All of this needs to go. All of this needs to go.
Here, Amanda, and that's what's going to be cut off.
These are the worst scissors. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? That's it, guys. That's it. I destroyed my hair. But I cut off all the dead stuff. Let's take this baby out. Oh wow. I did take a lot off. Or not really. I still have the length. Oh wow. I still have the length, guys. But I did kind of mess up the bangs, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Gonna cut this. There. I guess I'm done. Alright, so I hope... Oh yeah, you guys can see. This is the back. I don't know how it looks. I hope it's like a V or a U. This is the amount I've cut. This is a lot. I'll style and let it dry and we'll go from there. So this is what it looks like. It's dried, and yeah. My bangs are not the best. I'm not too happy about my bangs. You know, they're supposed to kind of like slant, but they don't really do that. But I mean, whatever. At least I have some short layers here. But so far so good. Wow, those look nice. Nicer than I expected. Oh my. My neighbors are having a party, so if you hear them in the background, it's them. But I'm not too bad. It's not too bad. Wow. I think it's better than any other haircut I have gotten because I feel like all the places I go to do not specialize in curly hair. My bangs are not the best. They're not the best. But I feel like as my hair grows back, it'll be okay. Or my sister took forever to arrive. So I'm happy they did because I would have not watched the Mel video and I would have probably done not so good job. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and informative, and I hope it gave you an idea of how not to mess up your hair. I hope you learned from my mistakes. Stay true to yourself by staying curly, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.